Hi, my name is Fred. I've been in the video game industry for the last 19 years. I now work as a coach, helping companies transform their businesses with agile practices. I started to put this training course together a while back for a masterclass held with Unity, and I decided to take it way beyond as I realized many developers were self-taught programmers, ex-artist or designer, looking for that true programming knowledge. In Tier 1, we're going to touch on Unity's programming fundamentals to quickly deliver a prototype. For that, we're going to be developing a 2D space shooter. We'll touch on importing sprites, including animated sprite sheets, and putting them together in levels and reusable assets. We'll develop a simple multi-platform controller to control a spaceship with both a keyboard and a touch device. We'll make visible game-level components with gizmos. We'll use visual debugging and vector maps to control where to instantiate objects. We'll set up 2D physics with colliders and rigid bodies. We'll use the Animator State Machine to drive conditional sprites animations. We'll use MonoDevelop advanced features such as tasks, code templates, and debugging. We'll touch on all the C# and Unity features you need to develop a game. We'll learn on saving high score and option settings. We'll touch on Unity UI system to make a heads-up display and options dialog, and we'll use the audio mixer to manage audio channels and many more cool stuff. I don't want to spoil this any further. The second tier will touch on performances, debugging, design patterns, and other enhancements required to turn the prototype into a release. And in Tier 3, we'll extend the game's feature set into a framework that a studio can use to develop more games of the same kind. I really wanted to take this training beyond the usual academic training course. It's more like a live coding session with a smooth learning curve in which I share my thinking along with tips and tricks. I also wanted to emphasize on agile practices while this is not an agile training in itself. Team confidence is key to agile development, and confidence comes with knowledge. This training is for anyone who wants to learn object-oriented programming for video games. It touches on programming basics and all major features of Unity. Whether you know programming or not, whether you're new to Unity or already have some experience, this training will give you the good practices and help you organize yourself in the chaos of a video game project.